What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am excited to dive into the fascinating world of Salesforce. If you are new to Salesforce or looking for a quick overview, you are in the right place. But before we jump into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below. And do not forget to ring the notification bell as well, so you never miss out on our latest content. And for all of our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of this channel, and I am grateful for your continued support. Okay, Salesforce. First things first, we have to go to the browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome, but Salesforce is basically compatible to any type of browsers, be it Brave, Safari, Microsoft Edge. So once you go to the Salesforce.com website, if you don't have an account yet, please create one. It's easy, it's fast, and it's simple. And once you successfully created your account, what you're gonna do is log in using your credentials. And once you log into your credentials, you will be hovering to the homepage, such as this one, right here. Okay, so what exactly is Salesforce, right? At its core, Salesforce is a powerful cloud-based customer relationship management or CRM platform. But I'm gonna tell you guys, it's more than just that, okay? Because Salesforce offers a wide array of features and capabilities. It's a one-stop solution for managing your sales, marketing, customer service, and more. So with Salesforce, you can easily manage and track your leads, contacts, and opportunities. You can create customized reports and dashboards to gain insights into your business. So when you have your account ready here, right? One of the incredible things about Salesforce is its flexibility. You can customize it to match your unique business processes and workflows. Not only you can create custom objects and fields and layout, but you can also use the Salesforce App Exchange to add third-party apps and integrations. Matter of fact, Salesforce is entirely cloud-based, which means you can access your data from anywhere with an internet connection. It's also mobile friendly, so you can manage your business on the go. So you have the sales department here, the home, leads. When you click on that, you will be given the different options. The account here, the contacts, the opportunities, calendar, forecast. Even you can custom set up your dashboard here, the reports, of course, obviously one of the most very used function of Salesforce, and the codes. And when you hover around here, see, it's grayed out. But when you hover your mouse, it's turning to different colors, right? So Salesforce is used by organizations of all sizes across various industries. Whether you're a small startup, a nonprofit, or a large enterprise, Salesforce can be tailored to your needs. And if you're interested in Salesforce, the best way to get started is by signing up for a free trial, and it will allow you to explore the platform and see how it fits your business, right? So, Salesforce, to me and to the people that I know that have been using it, it's a comprehensive CRM platform that empowers businesses to manage their customer relationships, sales, marketings, and more, right? It's a one-stop shop tool, really. And when we go here, actually the homepage itself is really helpful. You can navigate, and you can even go to the customer support, the help button. Let me try here, just right here. Because Salesforce Chatter It's a social collaboration tool that allows for better communication and collaboration among team members. So you have like a small group, so you can share files, comment on records, and of course you can work together more effectively, because nowadays Salesforce incorporates artificial intelligence and machine learning through its Einstein platform, enabling predictive analytics, lead scoring, and automation to improve sales and marketing efforts. Now, this means you'll always have access to the latest technology advancement, right? And matter of fact, Salesforce offers various pricing models, so you don't have to worry. That is a little bit flexible. It will allow you to choose the right plan that fits your budget and needs, and this can be particularly beneficial for small startups, small businesses, by providing special offerings and discounts for nonprofit organizations and educational institutions, making it an accessible and cost effective solution for these sectors. And these advantages, make Salesforce a versatile and powerful tool for businesses looking to enhance their customer relationship management and streamline operations, and of course, drive growth, right? And Salesforce nowadays has been redesigned to work seamlessly on mobile devices. So if you're really on the go, this means everyone in your team can access and update the data while they're on while traveling, they're on vacation, which is essential in today's very fast-paced business environment. So it's really handy. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more useful Salesforce tutorials in the future. And if you have any topics you would like us to cover, just let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.